No heating coil. See what's going on. Got a Linux, like a 1-stage. See what's going on. Shout out to Johnstone. Okay. The 3-amp fuse is popping. I just reset the fuse. The thermostat is calling for heat. Let's see if this fuse pops. Let's put this door on. That plenum was tilted. Needs to be leveled out. I already checked the filter. The filter looks decent. So right now it's a waiting game for that 3-amp fuse to pop. I'm gonna jumper this unit out. See if the 3-amp fuse pops. So let's go to R. Then let's go to Y. And it popped. Alright, let's reset it. That's R. Let's go to W. It didn't pop. Alright, let's take it off. R. Let's go to all the Y. Alright. That's the culprit. That's the culprit. Let's check the coil on the contactor. See where we at. The 3-amp fuse was popping upstairs, calling for cooling. Let's check the leads. 0.0. We disconnected power. I ain't disconnected the low voltage. Let's jumper this bad boy out. Why? Oh, it's still popping. Okay. So he got a short somewhere. I'm thinking it's this. The float switch. He got a short somewhere. Got a short. Okay. Let's do it again. You got a short somewhere. So okay. So you got a short somewhere up here. Yep. Let me get my tool bag. It's somewhere up in here. Got a short. I'm gonna check the wires. See if there's any break in the wire. And that's the culprit. It ain't though. everything tight. This was too tight. Bent. Give it some slack. Alright, so we have a low voltage short going to the AC unit. I disconnected the low voltage wires to the contactor. It was still popping, so it has to be these low voltage wires. So they gave me extra wires, thank God, so I switched them out. I got white on blue and common for green, so I'm gonna go to the contactor and switch out those, not the contactor, but the low voltage wires for the AC, and switch those out. So we're gonna switch out these two wires. So upstairs I got blue, I got green. Get that blue and green, tie it into these low voltage and switch these out, jumper it out. If that 3 amp fuse don't pop, then we all good. I got lucky with this one because usually it's only 2 wires. The wire switched out. Let's jumper this bad boy on. Fuse intact. Unit kicked on, fuse didn't pop. I'm gonna go downstairs and check the AC.
All right.
AC is kicking. Got action. All done.
All right, okay, I appreciate that.
No problem.
Take care of it here. You got any more jobs out in the area, or are you pretty wrapped up?
Yeah, I got another one in Tracy.
Okay, okay.
So I'm gonna jump out your heat too one more time. Yeah, I'm gonna close everything up. And that's, we all done. Let's turn on the heat. me. Specs. We are in specs. We kicking. Playing with. That's about it. Gonna wrap it up. Just had a low voltage short. Popping a 3 amp fuse. The amper right there. You know, changed out the wires, low voltage wires. Tested everything on. Checked the amps on the inducer. Roller motor. Everything looked copacetic. Oh, wait. I gotta go, y'all.